Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's about 3 a.m. here. I figured, what the hell, just got home. Might as well do a video. So this is the Carbon Creations 2011 to 2014 rear deck lid. I've had it on for a couple days now. I just wanted to do a quick review of it, I guess, here. So I know the car's dirty. It's raining where I'm at. I just got home. With the spoiler on, the springs on the inside don't necessarily like to keep it up. I had to release a little bit of the tension on the springs. I'll show you in a second here. So I had to make a prop rod if I want to keep the trunk up, but what are you going to do? Underneath, I still have to get the carpet in, but as you can see, there's no holes for anything. They've sealed them all up, so I have to re-drill them and put the carpet in. I just don't feel like doing it yet. So as a hand-laid piece, overall I'd give it a B+. It's not perfect, obviously. It's hand-laid. I don't know if you can see the lines are a little wavy, whereas you can tell on the this is what happens when you do this stuff at 3 in the morning. The louvers, you can see the lines nice and tight, the curve, and then on the trunk lid, it definitely has kind of a little bit of a wave to it. Also too, there's a little bit of a gap, and it does stick up a hair over. Now what I did find is if I take the springs off completely, it does seat a little bit lower. But then the problem is to get the trunk open, you almost have to kind of lift the entire thing horizontally to then rotate it up. It's like the springs keep the hinges from dropping, I guess is the best way I can describe it. So springs kind of have to be in there. One of the other concerns I found is the opening for the brake light is not perfect, and there's a little bit of a gap in there. So what I did on the inside is I used silicone to seal it up so I didn't get any rain in there. Speaking of rain, let me pop this again. The seal, I don't know if you can see, sorry, my trunk's dirty. It's a little hard to see here, but there's a bead of water around the seal, so it is making good contact. There isn't any water coming in. I know this right here looks like water, but it's not. It's a discoloration. But everything else seems to be sealing up pretty good. Without the spoiler on, the trunk lid definitely did stay open without issue. But the spoiler's a little heavy, so it kind of keeps it not staying down great. And then over here you can see that it's a little bit of a gap, and that's on both sides. I'm not going to show the other side. I would say here, if you were to compare it to 100% stock, C, maybe C-. But if you were to look at this as a hand-laid aftermarket piece, it's definitely, I'd say, about a B+. So other than that, that's about it. Again, sorry for the dirty car. Just got home. It's been raining. What are you going to do? See you all later.